100% in whatever she keep the hands in that platform. For the others, how she can help for them not only in that part but also all other parts kuda. Like ఇప్పుడు నేనున్నాను అనుకోండి, నేను ఉమెన్ ఎడిషన్ ఒక్కటే చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ షీ ఆల్సో గెట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్స్ మీ ఇన్ ద అకాడమిక్స్ లో కూడా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. సో ఇట్ వాస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్రేట్ పర్సనాలిటీ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. అండ్ ఇంకా ఆల్ రౌండర్ అంటే లైక్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ద బెస్ట్ థింగ్ అక్క. Like we are also getting bored of doing the same thing for a long period. So you can also like learn many new things. You will always have the basic knowledge of each thing, and so it is one of the great personalities.
Oh my.
Sindhuja, do you have any other dream when you are a child other than becoming an author?
Actually, author అనేది it is a short term goal. I does not have one particular goal. ఇంకా లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అంటే కొంచెం మీకు డిఫరెంట్ కనిపించవచ్చు. I have a short term goals for each year and year. Like I have a goal for this year and I have the goal for the next 3 years and I have a goal for my lifetime అన్నమాట. So it had a big list. And coming to the most అంటే చాలా పెద్దది ఏంటంటే I want to work in the like intermediate field of food and medically. So I want to do a research in that field. Adachesi longest goal, like it is like a research scientist field anamata. So that is the like longest goal. And one more thing is I also want to become the partner of the organization which provides a free education. Like it should be practical for the children's. So I want to become a partner. They are the longest goals. Inga short goals ante inga chaala unnai. Like just to inform, these are okay.
Thank you, Akka.
From interviewing people to being interviewed, how you feel the journey?
I am from junior to senior. It was just like junior to senior. Coming to that stage ante yeah, interviewed kana, like when I am interviewing, it was one of the flowiest moment, the happiest moment adi. I learned many things. And this is also the good stage, by interviewed by others. It is also good stage, and it is the result of what we done when we are interviewing అని చెప్పొచ్చు. And interviewed ఇది ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే నేను చేస్తున్నానో, like interviewed by the others, it is the happiest one, the proudest moment. And I am also sharing what I learned by interviewing others. Hope you got the answer, or should I add a few more to clear the sentence more? Hello,
అనుకుంటున్నారు.
should I update చేయాలా?
చెప్పండి, మీరు చెప్పాలనుకుంటే we are ready to hear.
అంటే లైక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూయింగ్ అప్పుడు I learned many things. ఇంటర్వ్యూడ్ ఇస్ ద రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఐ ఇంటర్వ్యూడ్ అనమాట. ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేసినప్పుడు ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నానో దట్ రిజల్ట్ ఈస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూడ్ బై యూ పీపుల్. ఇంటర్వ్యూయింగ్ వచ్చేసి చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాము. అండ్ దే ఆర్ ద మెమోరీస్ దట్ డస్ నాట్ గెట్ బ్యాక్ అని కూడా చెప్పలేము. ఇప్పుడు మీరు సెషన్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి వీఆర్ ఆల్ రిమైండింగ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఈచ్ థింగ్. లైక్ ఇట్ వాస్ షేర్ ఇట్ లాగా. బెస్ట్ స్టేజ్ అని చెప్పలేము. బోత్ ఆర్ ద బెస్ట్ స్టేజెస్. యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ బోత్. ఇంటర్వ్యూయింగ్ అప్పుడు నేనైతే క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పముందు, లైక్ ఐ జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేసే ముందు ఐ షుడ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అన్నమాట. లైక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయి మళ్ళీ, ఎందుకంటే దే ఆర్ ద సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పీపుల్ కదా, మనం తడబడకూడదు. సో వెన్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ షుడ్ బి లైక్ సమ్వాట్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. సో అక్కడ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వర్క్ కూడా ఉండేది. బట్ హియర్ వితౌట్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్, లైక్ మార్నింగ్ అనుకున్నాము, ఇప్పుడు సెషన్ చేపిస్తున్నాము. దీస్ ఆర్ లైక్ గ్రాఫ్ పెరిగింది ఇక్కడ మాకు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్కిల్స్ వి లెర్న్డ్.
Interviewing, the journey from interviewing to interviewed, right? Basically interviewed నుంచి interviewer కంటే చాలా చెప్పొచ్చు. Because I was first we started interviewing, then on after the same some few days we were interviewed by Michelle Maras with the Easel Odyssey book. So that was the best situation. The 1 hour we had a great interview by Michelle Maras. She took whole 1 hour with along with our ESL words, and we all preparing something like else, and we are talking with her very enthusiastically. She made her so happy, and later on, that was the first situation where I interviewed by someone else, and I felt very honored and pleasured for being interviewed by such a great international TEDx speaker. So that was the first best moment I can say. Then on after writing the book, we all three, Sindhu, Vinayanna, and me, we all three interviewed along with our parents by Michelle Maras ma'am. So that was a situation we couldn't see like every the days to the week and the end of the week. We are thinking completely about the session, how what we spoke, what we have done, what we thinking. So that really that's that time we are not having any idea about anything future, anything. We have not any uh, not keeping any dust in our mind, just keeping a fun and having interviewed by the great people, just keeping the hope of greatness and feeling the happy joy, having friendships and having interviewed by the great people. So that was my best moment actually interviewed. Same as Sindhu said, our graph is literally, it is run mission. It is running that way. The graph is growing, and that the situation there, I thought, oh my God, I don't want to stop here. If I stop here, it will be the last my success moment. If I run again, there will be something new. I thought that situation made me really make it change, and it showed my parents to the world. That is also make me so proud. And that, I think the same day, no, to the other day, my birthday was there. Michelle Maras has sung a song for only me, saying that it is, she has put another video for that, and she sung, and she has given me the whole link for that. I was pleasured, no, and getting greetings from such a great personality is not, I feel very happy for that birthday wishes, and that makes me so happy, excited. And from there I started not stopping anywhere. I didn't look back from there, and I started then on. I was interviewed by I think Others Club, Sindhuja. Yeah. See, because I think similar moments of UCT.
Yeah.
Yeah, similar moments of UCT has people, uh, they have taken our V journey as a similar moment for their book. Feeling very proud because we are having in another book also. We have taken grab in that book, and we have created our sign in there. So I think just by saying our experience, we had got chance in other book also. So that, and the people who interviewed Nikhilanna and Rasul, Ganesh has interviewed us, right? Yeah, that there we have again recollected our memory. That was the third time I think we recollected our memories, right? Yeah, that is also very fine, and that was superly done interview. Then anything, we for all presentation we used to do one video, right? So 28th presentation, 19th presentation, we had done videos. We still remembering our journey. That is so we are like that, and we are remembering, and so that is happened, and the final today, and we are giving to interview our new ones, new girls. So new energy, so I can say new energy, right? So we this was a very and that is all one side, and you people are interviewing very well, because you are not even knowing the college, you are not even seen us, you are not even talked to us. We felt many of the times we used to talk very less, but you people are like, I thought Sindhuja batch is fast, but you people are super fast.
Yes, they are so
me and Vinena batch goods. No problem. But yes,
Yeah.
I think I've answered
So
very
nice.
well. Interview process. The journey was literally awesome. Very, very great people we met. To the people we said that we have written book, I shared many of my friends. They were like shocked. What, you became mother? So that was a situation very they very. I didn't even hear that many compliments. You know, feeling excited about the compliments, keeping that holding and doing for the next is a very good thing. So we are doing that, and we all do that. Thank you.
It was so nice. It was so inspirational listening from you. Like you have grown from your graph has grown so well, and we'll try to trace that sooner.
You will trace super fastly. I even not talked with any of my seniors when I was in the first year. You don't believe that.
And it's
You
it's
are
also
already.
greatness akka. Like you people gave us that lenience ante anta baga receive చేసుకోవడం కూడా it's your greatness also, not ours.
See, there were so many juniors were there. They have came, right, but the people who received are you people. So the people you received,
Pleasure.
no, is great. Yeah.
Hello, Akka. This is Rajita Koini. I had a query that what you inspired the most to write the book?
Actually, it was my interest, my own interest to write. Just I was interested in writing non-technical issues, and I am also good at essay writings in my school standards. So in that way, I came to know about the woman edition, and when it comes to the women, it is mostly emotionally, right? So I was connected to the emotional thoughts. Inka సైకలాజికల్ గా రాయడం అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం నాకు, విచ్ చేంజెస్ ద మైండ్ సెట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్. ఇట్స్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ వెపన్ ఐ కెన్ సే, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ద గురు లాగా. Because one person changing the other person's mindset is not so easy thing. It is just like a guru anmata. So I think this woman edition will definitely change the mindsets of many people, and it was not so hard to understand, to reach out our mindsets, because I think we given our 100% that this book can reach you people in the easiest way. We use many simply words, and many tips also, how to manage time, backup plans, everything. And all those stories can be get connected to our daily activities too, because those whatever they faced, we are also facing now also. They're not mostly same, but few are similar, so we can apply what they did in our daily life. Say we can అందరు అంటుంటారు కదా, like we can learn from the experiences అని. So we got a beautiful opportunity to learn from our alumni, and that too they are the successful people. So this book will definitely help you. Coming to my interest, I got interested in writing from my childhood, and luckily I got Vinayanna and Tejasri Akka, who always bear my edited part. అంతే నాది, like it just interested, కానీ I'm not good at that much. Like, see, writing is okay, but ఒక బుక్ చేస్తున్నామంటే it will be going to reach many people కదా. సో దే ఆర్ ద పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్. సో మనం చేసే చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ అనేటివి సమ్ టైమ్స్ మనకు చిన్నగానే అనిపించవచ్చు, బట్ ద పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ రీడింగ్ అండ్ హు ఆర్ ద స్పీకర్స్, వాళ్ళ గురించి అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేనున్నాను కాబట్టి నా గురించి నేను ప్రాపర్ గానే ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటాను బుక్ లో. సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ద స్పీకర్స్ ఆల్సో థింక్ ఇన్ దట్ వే. సో ఎడిటెడ్ పార్ట్ మేము మా స్టేజ్ లో కాదు, వి థాట్ ఇన్ దేర్ స్టేజ్, అండ్ ఆ స్టేజ్ లో ఊహించుకొని మేము రాసాము. సో దీని వల్ల రైటింగ్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యాయి. సో ఐ కెన్ సే దిస్ థింగ్, వీఆర్ నాట్ ఎట్ ద ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ 18 when we are edited. It was filtered by many times, and majorly Shravan sir helped us a lot, and he did many sleepless nights at the ending the last month. So this is what like interest అనేది I already interested in writing. ఇలా అయిపోయింది. Hope I answered your question, Rajita.
I mean,
Yes.
if we read one book, for example, if we read the Malala, we inspire like that, my sister. So that what made you the most to inspire?
What made me or what readers can get inspired from our book?
No, you.
From my book, what I get inspired is like women have the different stages kada. Like sometimes they are getting studied at the certain age, they get married, and after that will face few difficulties with their own family, and there is a chance of breaking their career anamata. So at that time they took mostly like in 6 women's whatever we written their life stories, they have a backup plans and they already started their career after like 15 years. Like Shailaja ma'am అయితే after the after like 6 years of her journey, కెరీర్ ని ఆపేశాక 6 years తర్వాత మళ్ళీ she restarted her career again. She thought about her like పర్సనల్ గురించి చాలా ఆలోచించారు మ్యామ్. ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై, ఇది నాకు కరేజ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే లైక్ వీ గర్ల్స్ కంపేరింగ్లీ బాయ్స్ తో పోలిస్తే గర్ల్స్ హ్యాస్ ద ఎమోషనల్ పార్ట్ మోస్ట్లీ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్స్ వి విల్ వితౌట్ ఏ పుష్ అప్ మనం ఆగిపోతాము పక్కాగా ఏదో ఒక స్టేజ్ లో. సో కానీ మ్యామ్ అలా చేయలేదు. మ్యామ్ హ్యాడ్ స్టార్టెడ్ అగైన్. This was the major thing I get inspired, and having the backup plans. So if we are not reached to that point, we should definitely have another backup plan. And coming to the time management, కంపేరింగ్ టు ద బాయ్స్, నేనైతే సిన్సియర్ గా ఒప్పుకుంటాను, బాయ్స్ తో పోలిస్తే ఉమెన్స్ కి చాలా వర్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. బికాస్ దే షుడ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ మేనేజ్ హౌస్ హోల్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ ఆఫీస్ వర్క్, ఇంకా చాలా ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. సో దే ఆర్ మేనేజ్ వెరీ వెల్. టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ కూడా చాలా ఇన్స్పైర్ చేస్తుంది నన్ను. అండ్ లైక్ ఎమోషనల్ పార్ట్ అయితే దే లైక్ ఈచ్ సెషన్ వాస్ ఎమోషనల్. వి గెట్ ఇంటర్లింక్డ్ విత్ దెమ్ పర్సనల్లీ. చాలా జరిగాయి. And these are the few things where I get interested and inspired from them. Backup plans kani, time management kani, career choosing options kanivanti, and how they treated like when they are in the office work, they given their 100%. And mostly what we people interview ఎవరైతే చేసామో they did not get one complaint కూడా రాలేదు. అండ్ అంటే కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉన్నారంటే they asked them to come again if there is a chance in their life, please welcome to our company అన్నట్టుగా చెప్పారనమాట. సో ఇట్ వాస్ ఆల్సో ద మోస్ట్ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ మూమెంట్. వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ నేను చాలా నేర్చుకుంది ఏంటంటే, మనం ఒక దగ్గర ఉన్నామంటే దే ఎవ్రీ వన్ who are surrounded within us, they should know the presence of us. మనం లేదంటే they should definitely miss us అనమాట. సో అది పాయింట్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ లైఫ్ లో. when we are there, they should know the value of us, and if in case మనం లేకపోతే they should definitely miss us. అలా ఉండాలి మన వర్క్ ఏది చేస్తుంది. we should involve and give our 100%, and మనం రిజల్ట్ కూడా బెస్ట్ గా తీసుకురావాలి. and these are the few points I get inspired, and I also want to you people to read and learn from it. You can add
the most valuable word Sindhuja added is really your presence. నీ presence ఉంది, like అరే తేజశ్రీ రాలేదా, సిద్ధు రాలేదా, అట్లా అలా ఉండాలి. The way you are already like working on something. For example, you are attending every talk and every day you are presenting yourself very good. If you are missing in one day, it will makes your presence or it will makes your absence feel some people. So atla I got so many times that we missed you, Tejur. So that will make you really boost for the next, literally. So if someone is missing you and doing in some particular work, makes that shows your enthusiasm and you all disciplined about your work. So that is what great Sindhu.
what are the things you get inspired from our book?
ఓకే, అంటే బుక్స్ లో స్టోరీస్ నాకు కూడా సెకండ్ టైం అడిగిన తర్వాతనే అర్థమైంది. So the most inspired session is my favorite is Aruna ma'am. She her life journey was incredible, girls. If you want to read, if you want enthusiasm, if you want inspiration, go through our book and take Aruna ma'am. This is the first one we put it as. So her journey was like completely working and she's still working and she'll still make jokes, still makes fun, but still makes works that inspired. See, I'm the one. I'm not the big one when that we interviewed Aruna ma'am. I'm the just starting of second year, but I don't know. I'm not having so many questions to answers for so many answers for my questions, but she cleared me. Right, every time if I want inspiration, I go to my book and read her story, because her life story is like not the same as other girls. She said we always say for writing about women, we always think that women's challenges, women things, women that woman is this powerful, that shakti, we all think that, right? And that's not true, but yeah, I'm saying we think that. But she told there is no girl or there is no boy, there is no woman or there is no man, there is only thing you have to do that. There మీకు స్పెషల్ మీకు స్పెషల్ కావాలి అనుకోకూడదు మీరు ఒక ఉమెన్ అయినందుకు. You have to be shown that I am that strong person, I can do, but never want you అట్లా prestigious లాంటివి తీసుకోవద్దు. ఒక ఉమెన్ అయినందుకు యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ మోర్, ఇంకా చేయగలుగుతాను అనే థింగే ఉండాలి కానీ నేను ప్రెస్టీజ్ గా తీసుకుంటాను, నేను ఉమెన్ అండ్ ది గర్ల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రెస్పెక్ట్ మీ, దాట్ మీ దీట్ మీ, ఇట్లా ఇలాంటివన్నీ పెట్టుకోవద్దు అని చెప్పింది మ్యామ్ ఒకటి. లైక్ but she's the only girl in her company. She used to work a lot. Every client, ma'am meer kavali, your presence is very important. So ma'am nunchi a word నేర్చుకున్నాం ఇప్పుడు సింధు చెప్పింది. So everyone want her presence. See, even now we have interviewed so long back, even now I'm saying her name, that saying that inspiration, so that I got very happy. And she one thing is she clearly mentioned, never think about the gender, never think about the gender. If you are working, do that, completely do that. If you are working some academics, do that 100%, then leave. Who will come to you? If you are talented, no gender bias will come out. If you are weak at some places, yeah, I want as a girl I want these priorities. No such things. If you want to gain, you will gain for sure, but be strong and do it. She always used to say that words, and that is the most inspiration session for me.
Do you have any suggestions to help us to become a better writer? If so, what are they?
Like from our experience, I can say you one thing, like first thing, when you are starting your journey, first be free to express your thoughts, views in the group or even in the offline, because without expressing there is nothing going to be happen. So it is nothing, there is no bonds. Like when you are working on a certain thing, don't keep the bonds like senior or junior, like elder or older, elantivi పెట్టుకోకుండా just go on expressing yourself, then the outcome will be the best thing. Adi major point. And second thing వచ్చేసి be coordinate. See, if you are not if you are two at that time, if you are only the one, if మీరు two people ఉన్నారనుకోండి, ఒక వర్క్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు ఒక్కరే ఉన్నారనుకోండి, you go and don't complain on the other girl. Adi major thing. Because you do the thing and say you both done that thing. So దీనివల్ల you are building up the most friendship. And this is what team skills we are learning అన్నమాట. Because ఎందుకంటే see, while we are doing anything, we should not మనం ఇవి కోరుకోవద్దు. ఏంటి అంటే అటెన్షన్ ఆర్ అప్రూవల్ ఆర్ అప్రిషియేషన్. మనం ఒకటి చేస్తున్నామంటే ఆ రిజల్ట్ వల్ల మనకు అప్రిషియేషన్ రావాలి అని కోరుకోవద్దు. బికాస్ we don't know, we just want to do those things for our own satisfaction, for our own soul happiness. We should totally get involved in those works. So if you are really interested, then the things that will definitely going to happen, even it is much better or even it is worse, you'll definitely get happy and satisfied with that work. So this is some secondary thing. And what I can say is time management. Time management really plays a major role in whatever the things you do. So manage your time. Like if you are a group, divide the work, and don't be stressed. If you are even stressed, please share those things to the teammates. They can solve your problems. And when you are working with your team, not only about the work, you can also share all other stuff to make your souls free. This is the other thing. And కొంచెం చిల్గా అంటే ఏదైనా ప్రాజెక్ట్ కానీ ఏదైనా చేస్తున్నప్పుడు డోంట్ స్పెండ్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్ ఆన్ ఓన్లీ దట్ పర్టికులర్ థింగ్. యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్ టు చిల్ అవుట్ సో దట్ యూ కెన్ లైక్ మీకు భయం అనేది ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ పోతుంది. భయం పోవడం వల్ల యూ కెన్ రీచ్ అవుట్ ఎట్ ఎనీ టైమ్ టు క్లారిఫై యువర్ డౌట్స్. లేదంటే మన డౌట్ అట్లానే స్టక్ అయిపోద్ది. ఇంకా డౌట్ మనం నెక్స్ట్ టైం అడగడానికి కూడా ఇంకా డౌట్ అయిపోయింది లే కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఏం వస్తుంది లేదో, can go on to the other thing లాగా అయిపోతుంది. And these are the suggestions. The transcriptions వచ్చేస్తే dividing is the best thing, and I can say manually doing is the best thing. ఎందుకంటే we are depending on the software, like whatever the vocal cord ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని సీక్వెన్స్ అండ్ ద మొబైల్ వాయిస్ సీక్వెన్స్ is not interlinked, connect అవ్వదు. So many things get misspelled. So manually చేయడమే better. And like always, not only in these, do one thing, like always try to work with the opposite mindset. మీ మైండ్ సెట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేసే బదులు like working with the other mindset, you can learn many more things. And coming to the same mindset తో నేర్చుకునే కన్నా like opposite mindset తో నేర్చుకునేది చాలా ఉంటాయి. Here we can also like decreases our ego అనేది ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ పోతుంది. And these are the things. ఈగో పోవడం వల్ల లైక్ మనము వీఆర్ రెడీ టు యాక్సెప్ట్ వాట్ అదర్ పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ సేయింగ్. ఇది మేజర్ థింగ్ నేర్చుకుంటాము అదర్ మైండ్ సెట్స్ తో రన్ లైక్ వర్కింగ్. లైక్ దీస్ ఆర్ మై ఫ్యూ సజెషన్స్.
Want the audience to tell what they got out of this. Okay,
I really felt very inspirational from this session, sir. I was completely connected to these people. Like I'm inspired really. Like I really got emotional how these people, from nothing to everything now. It's so inspirational, sir, for me. I got connected a lot. Thank you, Akka. Thank you, Tejasri Akka. Thank you, Sindhuja Akka. Thank you, Shravan, sir.
Thank you, Apurva.
Can I?
Go ahead, Nivedita.
Yeah, Akka. From Sindhuja Akka, like when I have started talking with her, I have learned a lot of patience. And also the way she explains, like whenever she will be always busy with some or the other work, but she will be explaining like she will be having a lot of patience. And then when it comes to Tejasri Akka, like I have seen you in the first interview, like when Nandaji sir and all of them, like I liked your confidence a lot. And from then to now, your confidence levels are like we can't express that. Really, we enjoyed a lot. Like we are you are talking and we are getting a lot of confidence like that. So these two things I have learned from Sindhuja and Tejasri Akka. Thank you very much, Akka. Sindhuja and Tejasri.
Rita.
Thank you, Nivedita.
so Kushala, do you want to say anything?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm talking to Tejasri Akka for the first time today, but I felt very comfortable and friendly. And also Sindhuja Akka, I have talked with Akka a few days ago and she has been helping us. I don't know, like they appreciated us for being open up and all, but they are the reason we are like this because they made us comfortable and they are friendly. So I want to thank both of you, Akka. Thank you very much.
All because of Shravan sir. We all thank Shravan sir.
Yes, sir. We have to thank you too.
Madhu?
Good evening, everyone, and good morning, sir. It's a fantastic session, sir. I want more mates like this to interview our seniors, and they are saying answers for our questions. We felt very good, sir.
Nishita?
Yes, sir. We got inspired a lot by Tejasri Akka and Sindhu Akka, sir. I got to know that we have a very talented seniors. I hope they will support us, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
So, Deepthi, and after that, Swapna, are you there? Okay, Swapna, you'll end it after Deepthi.
Yes, sir. First, coming to their journey, like writing book, their experiences are so good. So they did not get stressed. They have enjoyed their journey. They are chilled out. Like they said, they went to Birla Temple and look, they enjoyed a lot, and like they have been very successful in that. I like that journey. Coming to Tejasri Akka, her confidence level, we can't tell in words. And Sindhuja Akka's ప్రేమగా మాట్లాడుతుంది చాలా. ఎలా అంటే లైక్ మన ఓన్ సిస్టర్ ఎలా మాట్లాడతారో అలానే మాట్లాడతారు అసలు. We like them in that.
She really talks from the heart. Yeah.
Thank you, Akka.
And Divya typed here, I am very inspired, sir. Such a wonderful speech. So that's for you all. Okay.
Thank you, Tejasri Akka and Sindhu Akka. We raise our hearts in gratitude, and we thank you for being with us today, and all my seniors and my friends for attending this session. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you
so
all.
good hosting.